Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the feeds section on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see, you are on the home page, on the discover page. So here you will find this three lines up here, or also you can swipe left. And now as you see, you will find the feeds on this list. Now as you see, this is your feeds. You can discover from here popular with friends, science. So that's it. That's how to find the feeds section. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.